subscribe, thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and follow me on Snapchat. Love you guys. Mwah! What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and thumbs up this video. So I will be installing this hair that is from UNice on Amazon. The information will be down below in the description box below. This is Deepwave and it is in 18 inches. This is a 13x6 frontal wig, and I plucked and I bleached the knots, and I also applied a little bit of makeup in it. Y'all, do not make fun of me with these lashes on. These lashes are so ugly. Anyways, this wig do have combs on the side, the front, and in the back. So, and it also has an elastic band. Now I'm going to apply this wig. I do have a stocking cap on. I did not use the that neutral one that everybody used because my skin tone doesn't match it, and it never looks good when I apply my wigs. So I always use the black one. This wig actually fits my head perfectly. I did have to, my bad, had a hiccup, but it fits my head perfectly. Don't trip for the amount of Ghost Bond that I'm going to be applying, because I watched a video, tons of videos on professional hairstylists and all that. They said you must apply a lot, not a lot, but not a thin portion, because it won't last long or it will live. So you have to apply it to how I am, like the thickness, not the thickness, but it's not thin, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I didn't apply it on my hair, as you can see on the left side. So I'm just applying it where my skin is and where there's less hair at, and on a stocking cap, because your girl ain't trying to go bald or edgeless. I will be applying 2 layers of this, so I'm trying to have this hair in for at least 2 weeks. So when this one turns clear, we're going to go ahead and apply the second layer. And then when it turns clear, we're going to apply the wig. Girl, I overdid this part right here, the second layer. I put too much. I don't know what I was doing. I was over here trying to paint my head and everything. Like, girl, I was tripping. As you guys can see, some parts aren't clear yet, but I'm going to go ahead and apply it anyway. So just watch what I'm doing. And I did have to go back and clean up some glue that was on my head. So yeah. Some parts I am out the frame because I had to look in the mirror to actually see what I'm doing. I'm going to use this comb to go ahead and comb it through so it can melt in. Get that meltdown popping. Y'all know y'all want that meltdown. So you see how I have to go back and clean up where this glue is, because hair isn't right there. My wig isn't right there. My hairline ain't right there. So I got to clean that. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut the ear tabs. I don't have that much to cut, but I'm just cutting the actual lining of it. This hair, this is not big head friendly, so if you guys was to get this wig from UNice, it is not big head friendly. My head size is, I don't know. I don't have no measuring tape to actually measure my head size, but it's not big head friendly, just to let you guys know. Time to lay these baby hairs down. I know you guys see that it's still white, like you still can see the glue, it ain't clear. That's because later down the line, when you get ready to wrap your hair up to go under the dryer, or you're waiting 15 minutes, it will melt in your skin. It will melt, it'll turn clear, so you guys will see that at the end. Why don't you guys go ahead and check out me and my boyfriend's channel. It's Bay and Me Gang. Go ahead and support us, subscribe, watch our latest videos. Comment down below and share it with your friends and family. Now, I used mousse and I used Got To Be gel. I just didn't show that portion. So I used mousse and Got To Be gel. I just used the mousse to actually form where I want it to be, and then I used the Got To Be gel to actually let it stay where it's at. Now, this hair wrap I actually got from Amazon. It was only like $4 or $5, which is awesome. Now, this is what I'm going to use to lay my edges and to wrap it to make sure the lace is melted into my skin. I'll leave this on for about 15 minutes, or you can leave it on more. Y'all, these lashes are so ugly. I don't know how many times I said, because I'm just staring at it so much. Now, I'm back. Did you guys miss me? I went ahead and cut this thing off. Let's see how it looks. I still have some glue rims right there that I have to remove. Like, you guys can see, I know I can see it because I know exactly where it's at. I need to remove it with some rubbing alcohol, and we're good to go. So that's it for this install video. Make sure you guys check out the description box below. Also, comment down below your thoughts on this hair. Thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. Oh, also, there's a coupon code in the description box below, so you guys can go save your coins when you go on Amazon to purchase from UNice Hair. It is called UNice Hair. Actually, UNice Hair in all caps. That's the coupon code. So go save your coins. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, loves.